how to enable or disable dark mode on Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, today I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable dark mode on your Microsoft Word. So, let's dive right in. Open up your Word and then on the top left you'll see file option. Go ahead and tap on it and then go to more and then tap on account, and now you can see office theme. Tap on it and black means dark mode. Now if you want to disable and go to light mode, then tap on white. You can see that it has changed. Now to enable it again, go to black. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.